Hi everybody, welcome to the Florida pottery. It's going to be a beautiful day here. It's maybe 11:15 in the morning and it's already got to be 75 degrees out there. If you're planning a trip, this seems to be a great winter in Florida. Anyway, I'm doing a glaze firing, and I'm going to do a quick before and then I'll do an after. It's mostly repeat wear with a couple of experiments. This fish plate was Chino with pours of Castile and then sea mist. This sushi plate and sake cups, in both cases they were randomly dipped in medium cork and then waxy white. This is an experiment with cappuccino. The first time I used it, it got very bubbly and dripped a lot, so I added water and mixed it down to 1400 on my hydrometer, and this is a test on a vase that I don't love particularly, so I thought it was a good vase to test on. And then I did another test after I watered down my Castile Blue. I think I took it down to 1400 or 1450 as well. We'll see how that one goes. And this little chili bowl I'm making for a young man who helps me out a lot when I do demonstrations at Nokomis Groves. He said he'd really like to have a chili bowl, and he'd like it in the colors of the Green Bay Packers. So I bought some Buttercup Yellow, just a little pint of it for fun, and some chrome green, and then I put a dip of sea mist on the rim, and we will see how it turns out. It's going to be a gift to him. I hope it comes out good. And this sushi plate was dipped in nothing but chung red with a stripe of raw clay where I've etched into the clay a little bit, so it'll be a textured raw clay. This is a piece that when I was at Nokomis Grove, someone named Charles, after I said, okay, who's next, who wants to throw, he volunteered, and he made a lovely gravy pitcher, syrup pitcher. It could be all kinds of things. So I gave that a glazing. Some large mugs. These are sea mist over Chino, where it's pure sea mist on the inside. These salsa servers are Mediterranean mist over Chino. This fish plate, I poured Chino in 3 or 4 places, and then I poured Mediterranean mist, and then I poured iron red. This is a test because this is one of the color combinations I'm thinking of using on a pot in my exhibit next month. It's Mediterranean mist, and then iron red, and then a little bit of cream on the top. So we will see how that works out. This fish plate was Chino, poured in numerous places, and then I poured Castile, and then I poured Mediterranean mist. And if I still have room in the kiln, then I'll do those 2 pitchers. And I'm thinking of doing something other than poppies, but I don't know what yet. So it's all going to depend on how much I can fit into this kiln load. Kiln load. Okay, so that looks like that's it. I'll fill up the kiln and fire up, and in a couple of days I'll let you know what the results are. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching.